So as we cannot have like a proper start of the day without f***ing it up, right after the last video my phone decided to stop working. So I'm gonna try to fix my Xiaomi telephone somehow today. In the hostel we've been checking out a couple of places that they might be able to fix this, and we found a Xiaomi repair store somewhere around the city. So the hostel helped me out book a taxi, so let's try to figure everything out before I start traveling properly, because if there's no phone, I am going again as a tourist with a map to see how everything goes. Let's wait for the taxi and cross the finger for everything to go well at the end of the day though. Hello my friend. Alright. How are you my friend? Good? No English. It's actually from the people drive from the right side again. It's like a very UK feeling. The place that we checked was around 6-7 kilometers from here, and the taxis is like 181 some. After traveling in places that were very expensive, it's amazing to be again on countries where like taxi prices are quite cheap. Always leave a good tip, guys. Спасибо. Amazing. One of the things that I like the most right now that I'm seeing in this country that other places didn't have too much. Xiaomi in Europe is not as popular as it is in Asia. So it's a good thing that even coming to Bishkek, you never know like if you're gonna find something related to technology as badly as I need it right now. And the first thing that I see is a Xiaomi official store. So let's go. Hello my friend. We just called you from the hotel just to ask, because I have broken my Xiaomi, my phone.
Which model?
It's a Mi 990. Alright guys, so that was it. As simple as popping in, dropping the phone. They said to come back in 3 hours, they're gonna fix the phones entirely. And it's just gonna cost me around 10,000 some, which is more or less $115, $120, which is great because I was not planning on spending $400 or $500 on a new phone. So this is gonna work out for a few months. Let's hope my phone maintains itself and I don't break it again. And as we have now 3 beautiful hours to wait, we're gonna go try to get some food and maybe do some shopping, because I need a couple of things. Since I arrived, I haven't bought any shampoo or haven't bought any conditioner. I'm just asking people and I feel a little bit homeless. So let's have fun. Let's see what we get here around the city. I can't get too lost because otherwise I will never find the place back. Let's go. Alright, we got a supermarket here. Let's see what we got right here. No idea what to get. I'm just gonna get a couple of them to try it. I might get the dumplings though. Honestly, there might be something that I'm doing wrong because no one is attending me. I don't know if it's, I should be looking at them much more often or say hello or... Hello. This one. I don't know how to say. Yeah. How do you say this parastic? Mate. Mate. Alright guys, let's give it a try. This is dumplings. I assumed you should take them a little bit warm. They look fantastic like this. Oh man. Oh, amazing. Oh, you can see right here, guys. It has like some meat. It's pasta based dumpling, some spinach. Oh my lord, spinach. I don't know if this is spinach. Green, feels green, tastes green. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my lord. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, it's dangerous to find this the first day. I'm gonna become a dumpling person from now on. Wow. Wow. The prices so far are the things that I like the most about Kyrgyzstan. This package with like 5 big dumplings was 180 some, which is a little bit over $2. My god. I mean, I know I should hit the meat and I really hope I don't get sick for this, but oh, entirely worth it, guys. If I get sick, perfectly fine with this. I am so thirsty right now. I'm just gonna hop on somewhere to get a drink. See what we got here. Alright. See what they have. Hello. Can I? Let's sit down here. Let's see if this have something fresh to drink because I am thirsty as hell. This looks nice. Cozy place. Hello. Can I drink?
Drink,
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. I wish I would have done the homeworks and I would know how to read the letters because I have no idea what it is. This looks amazing. Just tell me for the next time, guys, if you speak any Russian, if you know anything that you can make some recommendations. This one. I don't know what it is.
yes. A lemonade?
No, this fruit. What fruit?
This?
Yeah.
This? No. Нету.
Yeah, translate.
Нету,
Translate.
Yes. Lemonade and cocktail. No.
No.
Smoothie, no.
No, this what is this?
Ice cream.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Um,
What flavor of ice cream? Yeah. Creamy bodies over. Okay, and this?
This?
No, нет.
Нет.
No. Just lemonade. What flavors of lemonade? Ooh, mango.
Okay.
How do you say mango in Russian?
Манго.
Manga.
Манго.
Manga.
Манго.
Manga.
Yes.
Спасибо.
Okay, пожалуйста.
Easy, guys. When you want to communicate, you can do it. It's just whenever we both want to, it's easy to communicate, isn't it? Meanwhile, my phone is getting fixed. I got this monster map. Let's figure stuff out for later. I guess whenever we finish, we can just have like a big power walk and go to the city and do all this area. Ooh, Russian. Ooh, this is amazing, guys. It's basically lemonade with mango flavor. Oh my lord, but this tastes great. Give me like a slice of orange. Oh yeah. This is gonna get me going for the rest of the day, I think. The good thing of this map is like a very basic phrase book. So I'm gonna try a couple of the things to order a coffee. Мне нужно один кафе. Oh, Russian is so difficult. I feel whenever I leave Bishkek and I start with the Kyrgyz, it's gonna be a little bit easier for me. Извините. Мне нужно один кафе.
Какой кафе?
Latte.
Latte.
Yeah.
Big and small.
Big.
Big.
How do you say big in Polish? In по-русски? Big.
Большой.
Большой кафе.
Да. Latte. Big latte.
Big latte. Спасибо. Hey, it's getting somewhere. I have had like mild addictions in my life. This has been definitely the worst that I have right now. I can't be a human being if I don't have a coffee. Amazing. Thank you. There are different types of friendly people in the world, and it's very appreciated when actually someone goes the extra mile to try to communicate with you and make you feel comfortable. And that is the vibe that I'm feeling from every person that I'm meeting in Kyrgyzstan. There are multiple trips that I planned beforehand, and this one hasn't been one of it. It doesn't matter how you organize the trip, it's always good, depends on what you feel like you want to do. For me, as far as I heard, Kyrgyzstan has loads of activities to do outdoors. That's kind of what excites me right now. Now that I look at the map and everyone talks about it, I think from here we will probably go to Ishik-Kul, which is a monster lake. It is very high in altitude and apparently it's a paradise for hikers. The lake is around 1,600 meters above sea level, so I'm assuming the hikes are gonna be in very high altitude, and that is exciting to challenge myself a little bit. So I'm gonna take probably a couple more days to explore Bishkek. For some reason I think that I'm gonna come back, so I'm not gonna stress far too much. If you have recommendations in Kyrgyzstan, anything that you know or anything that you recommend me, please tell me. I'm very excited to check it out and perhaps make a video about it. Amazing. In Russian, how do you say can I pay for it?
Могу ли я заплатить? Могу ли я заплатить?
Вау.
И можно ли мне счет сейчас?
This?
352. Чек.
Check.
Да.
352.
52.
And this
Мне нужно.
мне.
I need. Мне нужно.
Мне.
Да, мне.
Мне нужно, окей. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3.
4?
4.
4.
Да.
5.
5. 5.
5.
Да.
5. 6.
6.
6.
Да.
7.
7.
7.
7.
8.
7.
8. 9.
9. 9.
9. And 10.
10.
10.
Сложно.
Very difficult. Perfect. This is for me and this is for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, we made it. Ooh, but the climate got a little bit bad right now. It is just incredible how just talking to someone makes your day better or worse, right? The regular connection with a single person that appears in your life can make your day like shit if the person is rude, or it can make your day much more happy just if they have a good attitude when they talk to you. So I'm gonna do my part and I'm gonna bring a positive attitude everywhere, and let's hope I connect with a lot of people here in Kyrgyzstan. Alright, there you go, you cutie. It's amazing. Right, with can I pay you with card?
Cash.
Oh, but I asked before if it was...
Okay.
Good? Amazing. I'm gonna get the phone. Let's go. So 2 hours, right, my friend? 2 hours more or less, and I can take it off.
Yes.
2, 3, just in case. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Look at this. So I just need to wait a couple of hours, as he told me, like for taking away all the scraps and anything, because the screen has just been glued. So I'm gonna have to wait a little bit, but it's looking sharp, and I'm happy I didn't have to buy any phone though. So I'm gonna leave you here, and I'm gonna finish the vlog today with a very big smile because this could have gone on the other direction. So you know what to do, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.